Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beatrice, for those of you that don't know me. This is a short class for the joints, especially if you wake up with stiff joints in the morning, or you've got anything such as rheumatoid arthritis that affects your joints and you need some really gentle movement to get yourself going in the morning. You don't need any props for this class, but if you do know you want to sit up on the blanket or you want a nice comfy bolster, you're welcome to have them around, and in case you need them, you can always grab them. So when you're ready, come and practice with me. So starting gently with a bit of grounding, take the hands to your knees or in your lap. And you absolutely don't have to sit cross-legged. And take a big breath in and out. Let your shoulders drop. And you can close off the eyes. Feel the contact of your body with the ground. Begin to notice how your neck feels. Your shoulders. The wrists. The spine. Your hips, your ankles, when you're ready, begin to drop the chin to the chest and circle the neck side to side. Let your head swing gently. Notice how it feels. Perhaps there's a little bit of cracking, a little bit of tension releasing through the sides. When you're ready, lift the head back to center. Take the hands to your shoulders if that's comfortable for you. And when you're ready, lift the elbows up, back and down. So circle, the biggest circle you can. Doesn't have to be super big, and especially shouldn't be uncomfortable. If you want to, you can bring the elbows all the way forward, touch them, and then lift them up and back. And then reverse the other way. Come back to center, bring the palms together, take them to your heart for a moment, let your shoulders drop. Notice how your fingers and your wrists are feeling today. Then when you're ready, circle them so that the pinky fingers come away from each other all the way around, and then the back of the hands come together. And back to center. And a couple more times this way. Last one, this direction, and come back to center, palms together at the heart. Notice how they're feeling now. And we're reversing the circle now. So come in all the way around the other way. So thumbs come away from each other, the back of the hands come together, and circling the other direction. Last one. And come back to center. Bring the hands to your knees or in your lap. And when you're ready, I'll show you from the side. Big breath in to open up the chest, to drop the shoulders, find a little bit of an extension in the spine, and breathing out to round and look down towards your belly. Breathe in, lift. And breathe out to round. And continue at your own pace with your breath. Slowly unrolling up the spine and slowly rounding down the spine. One more time. And breathe out around. Come back through center. And this time bring the soles of your feet together. And we're bringing a bit of movement into the hip and then up through the hip and the spine together. So you can hold your ankles or you can hold your feet. And first, try to keep an upright spine and bring the knees up and down. Just bit of movement into the hip flexors, into the glutes, and through the hip joint. Just notice how that feels. And it might feel like your knees stop, your movement stops, and it feels a little bit stiff, or maybe it just doesn't feel very natural to you to bring this movement in, and it's completely normal. That's what happened to me when I first did this movement. It didn't really work. But slowly trying to do it as much as possible helps me release the hips. Come back to stillness, and then from here circle the body to the left, forward and back, right, and as you come to the right, round back. So moving through the hip and moving through the back. And this time, as you come back and round, move the other way. So go right, forward, left and back. Last time this way. Come back and to center. Now, help your knees up with your hands. Keep the left foot in and lengthen the right leg out in front of you. Flex that left foot towards you, the right foot towards you, and then twist to the left, hug your knee with the left arm, with the right arm, and the left arm comes behind. Open up the chest if you can, and you can look forward, or maybe gently look back and forward. So moving into the neck a little bit more this time from side to side. Come through center. You can use your wall to support you or any other thing you can lean back onto, and lift the left leg off the ground and circle that left ankle. And the other way. Back through center and the other side. So left leg forward, right leg in, hug the knee with the left arm and right arm behind. You can look to the side, you can look back, or you can gently switch forwards and backwards. Moving into the neck. Back through center, and if you have a wall, you can lean back, lift that right leg, off the ground and circle the ankle, and the other way. And come back through center, come back to your initial seated position, and this time palms up to the ceiling, shoulders drop down, relax your fingertips and your whole finger, and you can close off the eyes. And just notice how you're feeling now. Come back to noticing your body, your neck, shoulders, wrists, spine, your hips, your ankles. On your next breath in, raise your arms up to the ceiling. Take your palms together and bring them down to heart center. If you'd like to, bow down and thank yourself, thank your body. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and if you did, please remember to like and subscribe and share it with friends and family that might find this practice beneficial. Thanks again.